Hey guys, what's happening? How to find hidden messages on iPhone. First of all, go ahead to the settings, right? Scroll a little bit down, click apps, right? And then you're gonna try to pin down messages. Excuse me. Click the messages, right? You're gonna be able to see option for unknown or spam, right? And you're gonna click that option if you find it, right? And you can filter the unknown senders, right here. You're gonna be able to find filter unknown senders. But if you are using iPhone 15, 16, you'll be able to see unknown and spam, and then click on it and get filter the unknown senders, right? And then basically what you're gonna do, go back to your screen and then go ahead and open up your messages, right? And you're gonna be able to see the unknown senders from here, right? Or unread messages, whatever, right? You can also go to the recently deleted and find the hidden messages or the junk, and you're gonna be able to find it right here, all the spams and everything. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. We'll catch you in the next time.